Hi everybody, welcome back to another video here. Still working through those logos design project tutorials. We're on to part 11. This time we're going to be adding some text and shapes to an image for social media is the tutorial that we're going to be working through. Go ahead and open up Creative Cloud and get Photoshop open for me and we'll get started. Okay, now that we have Photoshop open, let's go ahead and click on the help button up towards the top. Let's go ahead and come down to our hands-on tutorials. We're still working on the added text section, and we're going down to the one add text and shapes to an image for social media right here. Where it looks like there's the tennis shoes on there. That's the one we're working on. This is again our 11th tutorial here. Go ahead and hit start on here. Click the ellipse tool. If you don't see it on the right click it to be able to help see it. So we have our ellipse tool right here. Make sure the tool mode menu is set to shape, which is what it is. Okay. Click next to continue. While holding shift while dragging constrains the ellipse to a perfect circle. So shift drag to draw a circle roughly 1/4 the size of the orange square. What do they want it at? Don't know. So let's try and it says 1/4 the size. Make it a little bit bigger than that. If I had to guess a quarter, I'd say that's about a quarter. Maybe a smooch bigger. There you go. Click next to continue. Double click the thumbnail for the ellipse one to open up the color picker. Choose different colors. Choose a bright red. That's what they want us doing. We go way up here. There's a nice bright red there. Click OK. And next to continue. Select the horizontal type tool. Set the font size to around 72. And click next to continue. Click outside the circle and type 25% off. So 25% off. And we click the check mark afterwards. Click next to continue. Use the character options on the properties panel to change the font, size, style, and color of the text. Try making the text white. So we want to switch that color from blue up to white. And then we want to make that font, let's try making that a bit bigger there. Let's move that over some. Don't want them that far apart. So I'm just going to be using that leading tool. And I don't know, I'm happy with that so far. Click next. Reposition the layers, select the ellipse layer. Select the move tool. Drag the circle so it overlaps with the toe of the top sneaker and hangs off the left edge of the yellow background. So I'm assuming somewhere about in here. I want to cover up the shoe. Click next, select the 25% off the layer. And click next. Drag the text inside the circle. Help guide it. Right about in there, looks right. Let's go next. As a finishing touch, make it look like the sneakers are on top of the circle. Oh, so we got to bring this over some. And then, assuming we click on the sneakers, select subject. Looks like the sneakers have been selected there. Next, select the ellipse layer. Option. So we hold the option button and we click on that add a mask layer, that white rectangle with the black square. So click right here and it'll automatically hide those layers that it's going over. Works real nice. So it just kind of cuts out just that little bit that we wanted right there to where it looks like it's popped right over the top there like it's on purpose. Nice. Click next. And that's it. That's all we had to do to be able to help make that happen. Cool. Not too bad. Nice and easy to be able to help go in between there. If you got any questions, definitely help ask me in class. Let me know. And otherwise, yeah, thanks for watching. I do hope that video helped out a lot for you. Nice little tools in there to be able to set, and I think the biggest thing getting out of that is this idea that you can help to select whatever subject that you have on there. And so if you have those multiple layers, that you can help to use that tool so that whenever you hold that option button and you click to add that new layer, and so basically once you've selected something, that it'll help to kind of stack those layers on top of each other, but it makes it look nice and you don't have to do as much of the helping to go through and like remove all the background and things like that, helping to select it. So that's a nice little feature there. I hope you enjoyed the video. Again, if you got any questions, just like what I said, definitely help let me know, ask me in class, or shoot me an email. Thanks for watching. Peace, everybody.